It is a total nightmare when your automatic car starts acting like it is going to stall every single time you slow down for a stop sign, or if you feel like your engine is working way harder than it should at highway speeds. If you see the code P0719, your vehicle has detected low voltage in the torque converter brake switch B circuit. This might sound complicated, but here is the deal. Your torque converter uses a lockup clutch to basically bolt the engine directly to the transmission when you are cruising, which saves you a ton of gas. But that clutch has to release the moment you touch the brakes, or else the engine will stall out just like a manual car if you forgot to push the clutch in. Your brake switch is the one responsible for sending that "hey, release the clutch" signal to the P07 the second your foot touches the pedal. If that signal is weak or missing, the system stays locked up too long, causing that terrifying stumbling feeling as you come to a stop. Beyond just stalling, you might notice your shift patterns getting weird, or your brake lights not coming on at all, which is a major safety hazard. You really need to address this quickly, because leaving that torque converter clutch engaged when it should be free can cause serious internal damage to your transmission over time. Start by checking your brake lights. If they aren't working, check the fuses and the bulbs first. Often, a simple blown fuse or a misadjusted brake switch is the only thing standing between you and a perfectly running car. You can actually test this on the highway by holding a steady speed and very lightly tapping the brake with your left foot. If your engine revs jump up slightly, it means the switch is doing its job and telling the transmission to unlock. If the revs stay exactly the same, the signal isn't getting through. Use your DVOM to check for power at the switch and make sure the wiring hasn't been pinched or frayed near the pedal assembly. Most of the time you will find that the switch just needs a quick adjustment or a simple replacement to get that voltage back where it belongs. It is a small part that does a massive job, and keeping it in top shape is the best way to keep your automatic transmission shifting smooth and your engine running steady at every red light.